Hey everyone, I know this is very last minute, and if somebody's already shared this with everyone, I apologize, but I just came across this the other day, this thing called Epic Pen, and you go to the website epic-pen.com and you download this application to your PC. I think it only works on Windows PCs. Anyways, what you can do with it is really cool. What it'll do is download this little toolbar here. I've shared it here for you to see. And all it is a thing that allows you to switch back and forth between your regular cursor and a pen. And you can use this pen to write on any screen, doesn't matter what screen. Change the color, you can change the size of the pen, and you can use the eraser here to erase your strokes. You can just clear the whole screen, right? You go back and write some more. And you can also take a screenshot, which is really cool. You can click that, and then it'll allow you to copy that either to your clipboard or to a file. And so I think it's really cool because you can write on anything. And so there's a couple of different ways that I can see me using this in my classes. So one way is, you know, let's say I want to show, oh, I need to clear this. Let me erase everything. So, okay, let's say I go to Desmos and I'm showing my students a graph, and maybe I need, you know, I want to illustrate a little more, you know, some details on that graph, like, you know, let me see, let me switch my pen color here. Let me make it, come on, what's going on? There we go. Let me make it blue. Okay, so maybe, you know, I want to remind everyone that that's too big. Okay, so maybe I want to remind everyone this is your input, you know, and then up here, this is your output. So this is the function's value at X. It seems like it's running a little slow. That's my computer. I need to reset it. But you get the idea. And you can sit here and annotate things, and then take a screenshot if you want, right? You can do a screenshot of all your work, and then you can save it and send it to your students later. So that's pretty cool to have that ability. Now, something else that I think I will use this for is, like for my 13-14 class, I'm going to be using the packet, and I'm going to be going through the packet in class. Let me clear the screen out. And maybe as I'm working through the packet, so right now I have the packet opened in OneNote, and so right now I can write on this, right? That's not a big deal. I'm in OneNote, that's no big deal. So I don't need this application. But what I can do is, let's say I want to work this problem with my students. What I can do is I can take a screenshot using this Epic Pen, take a screenshot of the problem, copy to my clipboard, go to a new page in OneNote. I can paste it in here, and then it's usually going to come in a little big, so I might have to zoom this thing out or zoom this thing in a little bit, but that's not that big of a deal. So I've got the problem here, and then maybe I want to go back to the class packet, and you know what, while we're working through the problem, we might need the quadratic formula. So instead of having to, you know, remind them, I'm just going to copy that and then go back over to this problem, and I'll just throw that quadratic formula in here. Here we go. And that way when we need it, we can use it. So, you know, it's just this other resource that it works as a screen snipping, like screen snipping software. I mean, there is software that does that, but this is real nice because it's built in with this pen. And then the last way I think I might use this is, okay, so yeah, I would obviously work through that problem in OneNote, right? But again, I've separated it from the packet, and I'm able to work on it on its own page. But okay, the last thing I think I would do is grading students' work. This could be something that I use for that. If a student sends me their work and I'm working, looking at it, and let's say, there's some error that I see here. Oh, I need to turn on the pen. I don't have to open this in OneNote. I can just, open it up in a PDF viewer and just, tell them, note or something like that. And then I can just do my little screenshot, and then I can, copy that, and I can, or save it as a file, and I can send that to them in an email. So maybe they have a question about a problem and you just want to work, show them where the mistake is real quick. Again, this software makes it real easy because you just open it in your PDF viewer and then use the Epic Pen, draw and be done. So I think it's pretty cool. We'll see how it goes, but I want to just share that with everyone because I think it's a nice little tool. All right, good luck everyone. Have a good week. Hope it goes well for you.